Dentists who own their own practices are very different from dentists who don't. Now, I know that's a pretty obvious conclusion, but it bears thinking about. Why do you own your own business with all the headaches that come with ownership rather than working for somebody else? After all, associate dentists can make a very good living and provide well for themselves and their family. After the break, I'll discuss the implications of owning a dental practice and how to make sure your goals stay aligned with your marketing. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching the Patient Attraction Podcast. I'm Colin, receiver. Now, I'm a business owner, so I like to think that I get what drives other business owners. And after knowing and meeting thousands of dentists who own practices, I think I can break their motivations down into 5 categories. See how many of these apply to you. But remember that these are broad strokes and they may not fit you exactly. Still, I think you'll find yourself in one of them. Number 1, being in charge. In-charge dentists like to call their own shots and they make their own decisions. They're not overly good at following someone else's lead unless it's from a specialist in a particular aspect of business who they hired and they trust. They like the idea of succeeding thanks to just their own merit as dentists and business people. Number 2, the perfectionist. Perfectionist dentists have extremely high standards that they refuse to compromise. They own their businesses because they can make sure that everything is done exactly the way it should be. Perfectionists aren't always the easiest ones to work for, but there's no doubt the high quality of care that they provide. In fact, I see this motive most often among dentists who love everything about dentistry, and they just aren't going to go through the motions no matter how long they've been in practice. Number 3, the altruistic dentist who cares about the people and making an impact on the communities. Now, it's true that dentistry is one of the most sought-after professions due to the earning potential and, of course, work-life balance. Some dentists are on a mission to improve the oral health and the lives of the people in their communities. I see that more often among dentists who open their practices in the towns where they grew up. But even dentists who have relocated to other towns can adopt that community and own it and start improving the lives of the people around them. Number 4, they want to push the boundaries of often technology. Now, I don't meet a high percentage of dentists who fall into this category. Most often, they're the super creative types who delight in complex procedures, including cosmetic dentistry and full mouth reconstruction. They're constantly looking for better ways to improve smiles and healthy functioning of people's mouths. Owning their practices gives them the freedom to pursue these creative solutions. And finally, number 5, dentists that make a lot of money and retire well. This one is probably true for a lot of dentists, but particularly so many among practice owners. Owners have the freedom to set their own rates, implement the best practices, including fiscal management and seeing the patients that they want to see. Owners can decide which dental patients to market to and how. Now, probably every dental practice owner has at least 2 of these or maybe 3 of these motivations behind them. But that's not entirely the point. No matter why you own your practice, are the patients that you're getting going to allow you to accomplish your ultimate goal? Do you feel in control when the insurance companies deny or second guess your treatments? Do things get done to your standards when patients will only pay for the cheapest option? Do the patients you're getting give you the resources to give back the way you'd like? Do you get enough patients who want and will pay for your cutting edge techniques? Do you make enough money while still having enough time away from the practice to enjoy it? If the answer to any of these questions is no, you need better patients in your life. And that's what SmartBox specializes in helping dentists to get. Better patients that have more ability and willingness to pay for the right dentist, the dentist that cares for them. Make your dental practice everything it can be. Check out smartboxdentalmarketing.com. Reserve a practice discovery session with us. After the session, we'll send you a customized patient attraction roadmap and show you how we can provide you with a steady stream of the patients that you want, no matter why you own your practice. Join me for our next podcast. Until then, keep moving forward.